Have you heard that a Saw Palmetto supplement may help with your PCOS symptoms? Maybe you're wondering what in the world I'm talking about. Well, in this video, we're going to explore the effect that Saw Palmetto has on PCOS. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a clinical nutritionist with a special interest in PCOS. Each week, I'm bringing you simple, actionable nuggets of information about PCOS. We're going to learn how to support your symptoms naturally by following Nourish Natural Health's PCOS repair protocol. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's dive in. Let's begin by discussing what PCOS is. Polycystic ovarian syndrome, or PCOS, is a hormonal disorder that affects women of childbearing age. The World Health Organization states that up to 13% of women live with PCOS. PCOS also comes with a range of really upsetting symptoms. These include excessive facial hair growth, hair loss, acne, irregular menstrual cycles, difficulty losing weight, and infertility. The Rotterdam criteria is a diagnostic criteria for PCOS. To be able to get diagnosed, you have to reach 2 out of the 3 criteria. And these 3 criteria are: number 1 is anovulation or oligoovulation. This means missing ovulation in your menstrual cycle. Number 2 is clinical or biochemical evidence of high testosterone. Biochemical means we can see the high testosterone on a blood test, and clinical means that we can confirm by observation of the high testosterone. This is where the excessive facial hair growth comes in, and also the male pattern hair loss. And number 3 is a polycystic ultrasound. That's essentially when you have an ultrasound and your healthcare provider picks up on multiple cysts on your ovaries. The usual treatment for PCOS is to prescribe the oral contraceptive pill as well as the direction to lose weight. Neither of these things treat the underlying root cause of your PCOS, and more women are looking for natural treatments when it comes to managing their PCOS. These natural interventions include diet, exercise, and sleep, but also some natural health supplements. This brings us to Saw Palmetto. So what is it? What is Saw Palmetto? What a great question. So Saw Palmetto is the American dwarf plant. It's found in the West Indies and on the southwestern coast of North America. Those berries are then harvested, processed, and extracted to form the Saw Palmetto supplement. Saw Palmetto is a popular supplement and it has adaptogenic effects. This means it has benefits in helping the body process the flight or fight response. Saw Palmetto is also an anti-androgen. It's because it has the ability to destruct the enzyme that converts testosterone into the more potent androgen, DHT. So now that we have a good understanding of what Saw Palmetto is, let's have a look at 6 ways that Saw Palmetto can help to manage your PCOS. Number 1 is regulating hormonal imbalance. There are 2 ways that Saw Palmetto can do this. The first is via the testosterone to DHT conversion that Saw Palmetto blocks. We just spoke about that. This is really important for women living with PCOS because high androgenic levels are what cause all those pesky PCOS symptoms. Saw Palmetto also has the ability to reduce the ovary's response to another hormone called prolactin. Prolactin is a hormone that actually prevents the maturation of ovaries, causing anovulation or no ovulation. PCOS is often associated with high prolactin levels, so Saw Palmetto reducing the ovary's response to prolactin helps to recover and work towards restoring natural ovulation. Number 2 is it reduces excessive facial hair growth. People living with PCOS often experience facial hair growth, or as it's known, hirsutism. This is because of DHT, the more potent androgen. DHT is the main hormone that regulates hair growth, including body hair growth. As a result, when there are high levels of DHT, the body will produce hair growth in places that are sensitive to androgens. This includes the upper lip, the beard area, the inner thighs, and the lower back, among other places as well. Although there's no scientific evidence supporting the direct correlation between Saw Palmetto and reducing excessive hair growth, because of the undoubtable anti-androgenic properties within Saw Palmetto, it is a commonly recommended natural supplement for PCOS. Number 3 is the alleviation of hair loss or hair thinning. In the same way that Saw Palmetto helps to stop the conversion from testosterone to DHT, which then goes on to cause excessive hair growth, it also follows the same mechanism to reduce hair loss. Androgenic alopecia is male pattern hair loss, and it is common in those who live with PCOS. combining Saw Palmetto with other androgen blockers in your diet is an effective way to manage androgenic alopecia. Number 4 is improving acne or helping oily skin. Excess androgens are also responsible for PCOS acne. This is due to DHT increasing the natural oil production in your skin, which goes on to produce excessively oily skin and acne. Since we do know that Saw Palmetto has anti-androgenic effects, it can go on to have a positive effect on things like acne that are caused by high levels of androgen. Number 5 is regulating the menstrual cycle. One problematic symptom of PCOS is irregular periods. This happens because those living with PCOS experience anovulation where the body doesn't ovulate. When the body fails to release the egg from the ovary and causing ovulation, then your body can't complete the menstrual cycle. And that's when your periods become irregular. As we previously discussed, high prolactin is associated with PCOS. This disrupts the menstrual cycle by blocking ovulation. With Saw Palmetto's ability to regulate prolactin levels, this has a positive effect on your menstrual cycle and is a great stepping stone in working towards restoring natural fertility. And number 6, it helps to support urinary and reproductive health. One last little gift that Saw Palmetto has for us is its anti-inflammatory properties. And reducing inflammation in those who have PCOS is a primary concern due to the damaging effects it has on the reproductive system. So now let's have a chat about dosage. When selecting your Saw Palmetto supplement, it's important to pay close attention to the dosage. For those living with PCOS, we advise at least 200 milligrams per dosage. As a general rule, it's 1 to 2 capsules per day between meals and with plenty of water. Our best-selling androgen blocker supplement has 450 milligrams of Saw Palmetto. You can check out the Nourish Natural Health website to check out our Androgen Blocker Plus supplement, plus our entire range of PCOS supplements and support. It's important to remember that dosages can vary from person to person depending on your situation. So if you are getting a little bit confused, definitely consult your health provider first. If you are on any medication, it is important to consider whether Saw Palmetto may interact with your medications. For a clearer picture, we do recommend you go see your healthcare provider. However, we do know that blood thinners, oral contraceptives, and finasteride or Proscar all have interactions with Saw Palmetto. Now that you've learned everything you need to know about Saw Palmetto and PCOS, I need to take a moment to highlight how important a holistic approach is to the management of your PCOS. Just as we saw, Saw Palmetto has so many ways that it can benefit PCOS, but it can't do this alone. Treating and managing the underlying cause of your PCOS is key to a successful PCOS management journey. If you're unsure what the underlying root cause of your PCOS is, head to the Nourish Natural Health website. You can take a quiz to find out what your underlying root cause is, plus you can check out all of our high quality PCOS supplements to help with your management journey. So check it out and join our sisterhood today. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. And I will see you there. Bye!